Alright guys, so now that you've finally gotten your 30k, you've gotten your 30k completed on this platform. Like I said in the previous video I made, you need to wait till 4 a.m. the next day before you can withdraw, because your 30k will first of all go through the audit process whereby they check how you're able to get the 30k, check your account and everything. So when the audit process is completed by 4 a.m. Nigerian time, you can see that you see a red dot on top your withdraw sign. I don't know if you're seeing it. So I decided to record a withdrawal video for you guys. This is how you withdraw from the website directly to your local bank account. So this is like 5:20 a.m. in the morning, and I'm recording this video for you because I'm getting a lot of requests on how to withdraw. So I believe with this, you should not hesitate to smash the like button and drop me a wonderful comment. Please make sure you smash the like button, because if you are watching this video and then you don't know smash the like button, it means you don't like me and probably don't like the sacrifices I make in creating videos like this for you. Alright, so don't hesitate to smash the like button. So you can see my efforts making a video around almost 5:30 a.m. in the morning when I'm supposed to be sleeping, just so you guys get to know how to do everything correctly. And yeah, that's just it. Okay, so do not hesitate to smash the like button and say me something good in the comment section. I love being hyped. All right, guys, so let's get on with it. Um, so when I finally got this 30k, um, my 29,000 plus above will disappear, and when I click withdraw, I will see this RS $30 down by the right, not where you're seeing withdrawal account. Immediately you get your 30,000 naira, it will be in your audit account. You can see down there. So now is my withdrawal account because it has come off or come out of the audit account, which is what is below here. Audit account RS0. So the 30k is going to be there first until 4 a.m. the next day. So if you got this 30k completed around 12 p.m., around 3 p.m., around 11 p.m., before 12 a.m., okay, then 4 a.m. that midnight, which is the next morning, you'll be able to withdraw your money to come up or come out of the audit account into your withdrawal account. And now, yeah, this is how we withdraw the money directly into our bank account. So I'm going to click on withdraw because now this money is withdrawable. Yeah, the money is withdrawable. So let's get on with it. Let's just withdraw my free 30k from this beautiful and sweet website. So let's click on withdraw. All right, guys, you can see withdrawal amount is 30k above. Withdrawal rate 0%. I have already withdrawn on this from this site, and that's why you're seeing that there I've put in my bank account here and my account holder's name, and then the select bank is what I'm going to correct now because this is not my bank. So you can see you have a lot of bank options to choose. If you're your first bank customer, put your bank account number there. If you use Access Bank, put your number there. If you have PalmPay and OP account, put your account number there. So now I'm gonna put OP. Let me search OP because I want to be joined to my OP account. Okay, I've already put OP there. I've selected my bank. Please ensure your account number is correct. Oh, if you do not, you can see it down here. Please ensure the account number you provided is correct. We are not responsible for any issues caused by incorrect account information. Alright. So guys, let me confirm my account number 81791 blah 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 blah. Yeah, my account number is correct. Then my name. Yeah, I am playing Ola Jessica Tulupe. So this is my name. Then I've selected my bank account. And then all I gotta do is to click continue when I've confirmed that my details are accurate and correct. Yeah, so I'm going to click continue. Congratulations on successful withdrawal. Funds usually arrive in a few minutes. So this is a live withdrawal. I'm withdrawing now as I speak to you. So I'm going to click on confirm. Now, can you see what just happened to my notification above? Did you see what just happened in my notification above, guys? They transferred the 30k into my bank account, into my OP account in less than what, a minute. So those of you that are doubting Thomas is in this house, I believe with this video you will know that this platform is legit. See how as the 30k entered my OP account. Now let's enter my OP account to check, because I have no, but I've withdrawn the money that I have in my OP account just because of this withdrawal video I want to do. So now let's click on my OP account. See transaction details. Check the time very well. Are you not seeing October 19th? Are you not seeing it? I told you I don't have any money in my OP account. I've withdrawn everything. So let's just go back to let me go back to my main OP account. So we'll see the transaction history by yourself and then you see my balance. OP account. Let me quickly input my password. So I've put in my password. You see, as I'm doing all this thing carefully, I'm trying to make everything as transparent as possible. See, if you've watched this video to this place, you've obtained value from this video, and you still not smash this like button. Ah, where is my cane? Like, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Tell me, what is that spirit that's depriving you from smashing the like button right now and saying something good in the comment section? Do not let me find your location. Oh. Okay, so go, guys. I'm gonna log in now. Okay, get out. I'm not ready to upgrade my account. So, guys, are you seeing my balance? Are you seeing my available balance? No, be me transfer this money into my account. Thank God you saw it live when the money came through my notification. That is how the payment is instant from this amazing platform. Yes, congratulations to those who got the 30K yesterday that were screaming my name. Jessica, thank you for pushing me. Thank you for not letting me give up. I almost gave up. If not for you, Jessica, in fact, plenty people got 20K, 30K from this platform through me, by the grace of God, through me. Yes, I pushed a lot of people. So many people think I was doing this for my selfish reasons. Fine, they will give me spins. Fine, I'll obtain some benefit from this platform. But me alone trying to push you to do something good to get you what's it called? Money in this hard time. I think I deserve some appreciation. Are you with me? Okay. I'm not trying to brag or trying to carry everything too much in my head, but I just want to know that if you got money from this platform, congratulations. Okay. And then to those watching this video, if you know you want free 30,000 naira, just join this platform through the link in the comment section if you've not started. Every other thing you need to know, you just have to send me a message on WhatsApp. That's just it. It's on period. Okay, so I'm not going to say so much about this platform, but yes, they are paying 30K free to those who win it on their website, and it is real. It is real, guys. It is real. Those of you have been doubting, not those doubting Thomas. I feel like giving you guys a knock. I feel like giving you guys enough, honestly. It's very difficult to convince some people to. It got to the extent that I got tired and I gave up. Like I said, you know what? I drop a mark on your matter. I can't just stress myself. Okay, man, does they chop the money from the side with others we sabi waiting that they do, and others we sabi say this platform they legit. So I don't know the owners of this platform, but not too much. Oh. Now, wow, you too do. Okay, guys, this is where I put a stop or wrap up this video. I believe you see. Let's just check your transaction history. You've been convinced enough. All right, so this is it. This is the receipt. So don't think I was sending you a fake receipt of this why or copying someone's receipt to send to you. That's why most time I put my foot number there, so you can see that it is my transaction receipt. So may I go sleep back. Okay, I've done the video you guys requested, and then find a way on how we're gonna spend this money. Okay, when I wake up today is Saturday. So guys, much love to you. Much love to you. And see, they have not stopped paying, This platform has not stopped paying. So if you know what is best for you, join through the link in the comments section below. And then if you have questions, just drop all your questions in the comment section. Please don't bring questions to my DM. Do not bring questions to my DM. Okay? Just join. Once you join, then you can ask questions in the comment section. The one that requires you coming to my DM, I'll just let you know, or a particular group, I'll just let you know. So guys, as always, one love, much love to every one of you that has been, encouraging me on YouTube. Those of you that have been smashing the like buttons, those of you that have been watching my videos non-stop, sharing my videos to your friends and family non-stop. See, you guys are amazing. Let me just put it that way. You guys, every one of you, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers, you guys, you are too much. Okay. All I can just say is thank you very much and God bless you. And may God continue to bless you. Okay. And may God continue to use me to bless you guys as well. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. This is how I withdraw my money instantly from this amazing platform. Rush now to the comment section and description of this video to use the first link you meet to register on this platform if you haven't. One love. Peace out.